Have you ever opened Facebook and thought, ugh, what am I even doing here? Maybe it's a friend who's always sharing political debates that just make you roll your eyes. Or maybe it's a relative who seems to post a new meme every 30 minutes. Don't get me wrong, you love your friend and you've got nothing against your relative. But you don't really need to see everything they post on your feed. Well, Facebook actually has a secret weapon to help you out. It's called Unfollow. Basically, this feature lets you clean up your feed without having to unfriend anyone. So, let's say you've had enough of your friends' political rants. Instead of unfriending them, which could get awkward, you can just unfollow them. When you do this, their posts will disappear from your feed, but you'll still be friends. And here's the best part. They won't have any idea that you've unfollowed them. You can still visit their profile, like their posts, or even send them a message. It's like you never even considered unfollowing them in the first place. And if you're worried that you might change your mind later, don't be. If you ever want their posts back, you can always go back to their profile and hit the follow button. Their updates will reappear in your feed as if nothing ever happened. But you might be wondering, how does Facebook know not to show me those posts if I unfollow someone? Well, it's all thanks to the magic of algorithms. When you sign up for Facebook, they ask you to tell them what kind of posts you like to see in your feed. When you unfollow someone, Facebook uses that information to adjust what shows up in your feed. So instead of seeing your friends' political rants, you'll see more posts from people whose updates you actually enjoy. And if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by everyone's posts, there's another trick you can use. Instead of unfollowing someone permanently, you can hit the snooze button. This will hide their posts for 30 days. But after that, their updates will start showing up in your feed again. It's like taking a little break from Aunt Carol's meme overload. So why should you use this feature? Well, it's a great way to take control of your social media experience. You don't have to put up with annoying posts or let the algorithm decide what you see. With the power to unfollow or snooze, you can create a Facebook experience that's more enjoyable and less stressful for you. If you found this helpful, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.